This is Dr. Seelan Parekh, your fantasy doctor, talking to you about injuries. Andre Ellington from the Cardinals suffered a hip pointer injury. Now, the Cardinals continue to be plagued by injuries, but let's try to understand Andre Ellington's injury and see how long he will be out for. So here we have Woody, and as we zoom into Woody, we'll go into his pelvis area, which is right here, and we'll go into this area right here where the hip socket is. Now, a hip pointer injury is an injury to this area right here. It's not really your hip, but it's part of your pelvis, which is one of the stabilizers for the lower extremities of the human body. A hip pointer injury is where there's a blow to the iliac crest right in this area here, and as this area bleeds, you may have bleeding into the abdominal muscles right here or out here towards the hip where the hip muscles are. Now, if you have bleeding in that area, what will happen is every time you try to move the hip outwards, you will have difficulty doing that. What we don't know with Andre Ellington is how severe this hip pointer injury is and how much bleeding and pain he's having. His limitation on the field will only be due to pain. So he may be out for 1 week, but it could be up to 4 weeks depending on how bad his pain is and how well it can be controlled. Fantasy owners, if you have Andre Ellington, look closely to the reports on a day-to-day basis to see if he'll be playing next weekend. This is Dr. Seelan Parekh, your fantasy doctor.